Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a short one, and this is going to be how to change the style or the colour of your on-screen mouse cursor. I suppose a lot of people don't do this and just leave the white one, but some people might have, I don't know, for whatever reason, issues seeing the white one, or they might be colorblind or something like that. So I'm just going to show you how you can change the color. Now I'm doing this on Windows 11. You can do it on Windows 10 and it is pretty similar the way you do it. So we'll just get into this quickly. So if you go to your search bar at the bottom here, obviously this is Windows 11, but you can do this on 10 as well. Click on that, type in mouse, go to mouse settings, and you'll see obviously you can switch like primary mouse button and your pointer speed and all that lot. But if you go down and you go to mouse pointer and touch, it brings up this. Now, as you can see by my mouse cursor, it's now changed to the standard white one, or the black one with the white outline. You've got this one where it's white on a dark background, but then I haven't really got anything up that I can use to show you, but basically when you're on a light background the cursor will turn black so you can see it on the white background. But if you go to this fourth one on the end, you can basically select the cursor to be whatever colour you want. Obviously like purple, green, yellow. For some reason it doesn't want to change on screen now. There we go. Obviously if you go down here you can kind of change it to whatever colour you want. As you can see it's now this blue colour. I tend to go with like an orange colour for mine just because it matches, if it would change, there we go, just because it matches like my system, all the RGB's orange on mine. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So running through it quickly again, go to your search, type in mouse, click mouse settings, you'll get this screen. Second one from the bottom, mouse pointer and touch. It opens this up, and then obviously you can change mouse cursor size there. Doesn't seem to want to change on the screen capture, but yeah, OBS is weird sometimes. One being obviously your standard mouse size all the way up to absolutely huge. Touch indicator, but I don't really know what that does. But yeah, so that's basically just a quick video on how to change your cursor style, the colour, so on and so forth. I only thought I'd do this video because it's quite a hidden setting. I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that don't even know you can change like your cursor colour and stuff like that. So yeah, it was just a short video showing you how to do that. Let me know in the comments below if this helps you out or if you change it or whatever. But yeah, for now guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.